Most people think snoring is just a noise problem or a nuisance for their partner, something to joke about. But snoring is actually the sound of a partially obstructed airway. It means air is being forced through a more narrow space. And when this happens, your body's working harder than it really needs to. The muscles of the tongue, the throat, and the jaw play a direct role in whether or not that airway space stays open. That's exactly what myofunctional therapy is for. Snoring is a signal, it's not a personality trait. Check out what colors your airway quiz, link is in my bio.